UMLA ka Nongpoh constituency ba meral bonds im menta ka singi ka pra tarik ulaber ar haka 0 hour notice ulawanra eka phang haka dorbar mangtengka jong ka singi ka balai halor ka jingdap haka porslam haki babun ki benta jong ka Surok ba National Highway 6 Kabanado na Jorabat, Bernihat, Umling, Hadu Nongpoh. Habakran halor kane kapang, ulaong ba kane kamdaisu kamat kabathamay, henrei kade kabala jukran bat kabala jupen sngo penskap na kapor syakapor, ulaong ru kadaw ka jingmi jong ka jingdap haki Surok, hakapor slam, haki babun ki benta jong ka Surok National Highway 6, haka Surok Sar Nongpoh, Umling, Bernihat bat Joraban kadehi na kadaw ka jingbambiang jong kinala Tuidum kumtaw labu ka jingkerpat ika tenat badai pet ya kane ka benta lengbau sembut menteri dangba baru badairu menteri badai pet ya ka tenat PWD ha ka jela ba preston tensong ban Kyntu iki kontraktor ban Shna kinala Tuidum ha ka rukom ka badai bat ban pendap ru haswa ka ayom liur ban light na ka jingdap khnang ban pensuk iki paitba nongleit nongwan. Haba jubab halor kane kapang menteri badai pet ya katanat PWD ba preston tensong ulayathu ba hau penai November 2000 khat khandai na kaliang kanahai kalade ban alot UMS Bhasan Kumar kum kontraktor ban Shna kinala Tuidum jong ka Surok ba Nongpoh bat Umling kabaya kanila sedang ban pentre nadu khat pra tarik November 2000 khat khandai henrei nakadaw ka jingwan lingshop ka klam covid khat khandai lapin sange no ka jingtrei henrei hadin bala sedang pentre biang hau penai September 2000 arpuwei lala ban pendem ya ki jingtrei don pat hakikat tu kat ni ki jing pentre ke ba 4 la ban pendem namar ka jing pembiang ka jaka ban penhe ikinala Tuidum.
Thank you sir for allowing me to raise this 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Meghalaya District Assembly, coming out on Nongpoh dated 21st February 2022 under the caption Abiding Shlei Surok Orlen Babu Teng ka NHAI ban Penhe Iaki Nala sir.
You may initiate.
Thank you sir. National Highway 6 from Jorabat to Umyam is a lifeline not only to the state of Meghalaya but to many other states of Northeast including Mizoram, Tripura and Barak Bali of Lower Assam. When this very important project was started in 2010, it was a great relief to the people of the state so that they can travel in less hour from Shillong to Guwahati or any other nearby places. We have seen after the commission in 2010, people have been benefited. Many shops, petty shopkeepers, dhabas, showroom has come up. And it has been a great help for the people at large, for the people of the state of Meghalaya, especially while traveling to other states of the country. So the issue here is about waterlogging. This is not a new issue that I have been raising. In the past also, I have been flagged off this very important issue because all along the National Highway 6, right from Jorabat, Bernihat, Umling, Nongpoh, the whole stretch, during monsoon there is heavy water logging which has created huge problem and inconvenience for the public at large, for the travelers. I am thankful to the PWD Department of the State through the National Highway that the Ministry of Road, Highway and Transport, Government of India, they have sanctioned for the construction of drain along National Highway 6, which include in Nongpoh town, in Umling, Bernihat, Jorabat and other places. The tender has been called and the work also has been awarded to the concerned firm. They have started the work also, but sir, through this 0-hour notice, I would like to bring to the notice of the concerned department through you, sir, to the Honorable TCM in charge PWD, so that they will instruct immediately to the contractor concerned to do the work properly in a proper manner, because we have seen in Nongpoh town just last few weeks there is heavy rain and there is water logging in Nongpoh, in Jorobat and other places also. So before the monsoon will come, I would like to stress upon the department concerned that issue immediate to the concerned contractor to find out ways and means before the monsoon, so that the water logging in Nongpoh town could be avoided. Also at the same time, I would like to bring to the notice of the August House through you, sir, that even at Umling, where there is a screening point at the entry point there, we have seen there is a huge water logging always there. There is a dumping of medical waste and other waste there in the drain, just there at the highway, just near the screening point. And that is one of the most vulnerable place if monsoon will come. So I would like to press upon the concerned department to immediately instruct the concerned contractor, the national highway, to look into, so that the problem of this water logging won't be there anymore along the national highway, especially in Nongpoh town. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise this 0-hour notice for these very important issues to be taken up by the PWD department through national highway in our state. Thank you, sir.
Deputy CM, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am thankful to the Honourable Member from Nongpoh constituency for bringing the 0-hour notice under Rule 49A regarding newspaper clipping caption Apkijing Slay Surok Folin Babu Teng Ganahai Batpene Ikanala The project of construction of the 4-lane road from Jorobat to Yam was completed in January 2016, and the road was open to traffic on 28 January 2016. Flooding along the 4-lane road. It may be informed that prior to completion of the construction of wider drains along the 4-lane road, flood occurred in stretches at Nongpoh and Umling village during rainy seasons. However, in November 2019, the Nahai has allotted the works of widening of the drains at Nongpoh and Umling village to contractor MS Basan Kumar Kakati. The work started on 18/11/2019. However, due to worldwide COVID-19 pandemic, the work was hampered, but now the work was completed in September 2021. The work in 2 locations could not be completed due to non-availability of land to construct wider drains as detailed below. The status of work executed till date are as below. Location Nongpoh town in front of DC office, from NH-6 to 26 to 450 to NH-26 to 735 right hand side for a length of 285 meters. RCC covered drain of 2.1 meter wide drain already exists, but only required to be widened. The work cannot be carried out due to existing of government offices, and it will disturb the stability of the hill. In view of the above, and in order to counter flooding at the above location, the construction and widening of the culvert and drain has been relocated at kilometer 25 plus 890 to 25.960 right hand side. The estimate has just been approved by the competent authority of Nahai, and the work was allotted to the concessionaire, where they will start the work within this working season. Location Nongpoh town in front of veterinary hospital completed. Location Nongpoh town in front of Woodland Dhaba completed. Location Nongpoh town in front of Woodland Dhaba again completed. Location Nongpoh town before Market Jail Road work completed. Location Nongpoh town Market Jail Road Chainik 29 plus 255 left hand side for a length of 10 meter RCC box culvert, whom pipe culvert exists. However, the construction of new RCC culvert could not be done as hindrances due to water pipeline, cable line below the existing home pipe, and the same cannot be disturbed since it is a public utility. Nahai authority has taken up the matter with the district administration of Riboy district to take up issues with all concerned department to relocate the utility lines passing through the home pipe culvert, restricting the flow of water. The work of widening of the home pipe culvert will be taken up as soon as DC Riboy give us a go-ahead signal. Location Nongpoh town in front of old petrol pump completed. Location Nongpoh town again before Woodland Dhaba completed. Location Nongpoh market area police traffic boat completed. Location Umling village work is completed. Location Umling village Chinese 1651 right hand side work completed. Location Umling village 16750 right hand side work completed. Location Umling village Chinese 16 plus 770 right hand side completed. Location Umling village from Chinese 16420 to 16770 right hand side work is completed. The government is taking all out efforts to ensure that problem of water locking along the 4-lane highway is removed. So, sir, I share the concern of a member of this House regarding the problem of water locking along the 4-lane road and the inconvenience caused to the commuters. I hope I have been able to address the concern of the honourable members.